Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the head accessible, unplug the unit, and remove the bowl and any attachments so nothing spins unexpectedly. Once done, tilt the head back or open the latch and unscrew the hinge cover. This exposes the hinge pin and gear housing. Make sure to keep screws organized in labeled containers. It's why you gathered a small tray. You'll prevent lost parts and know where each fastener goes when reassembling, which saves time and prevents damage to the motor housing. Now you proceed to remove the base and back screws, then carefully pry open the two housing halves. Do this slowly because wiring, harnesses, and clips can snag. Once open, note the gear train and switch positions. You should photograph the layout for reassembly memory. Disconnect any ribbon cables by lifting the clip, not pulling wires. Once the gears are exposed, you can inspect for wear, remove the grease cap, and gently lift gears free while supporting shafts so nothing drops into the cavity. Finally, unbolt the motor mount while supporting the motor to prevent strain on wires. Detach the motor connector last. Replace or clean worn gears and apply fresh grease to bearings and gear teeth. This restores smooth operation. When reassembling, reverse the steps. Reconnect wiring, align gears, close housing, and torque screws to snug, not over tight. If the mixer vibrates or won't start, check for misaligned gears or a pinched wire. That troubleshooting tip usually fixes common reassembly faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.